got these frogs here, right? Living in my tree stump. And I'm like, what the heck is this moving things? Look, there's like a million, see them? Million little things moving around. What is that? So weird. What the fuck are those? It's freaking me out. Like they have to swim to the top. See? And like get air. Are they tadpoles? I don't know. What the hell? I was having a seizure. Look at it. It's freaking out. Huh? Yeah. I've never seen like tadpoles that do that shit. So weird. Very interesting. Very freaking interesting. What are they doing? It's like so cool. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, homie G? Yo. What are you doing, frog? Hi. Hi, frog. Hi. It's like, get out of my face. What the hell is that? Yo, what is that? Oh. I need new glasses. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. So weird. What's up, brother? Yeah. Yeah, all this weird shit happening in my backyard. It's kinda cool though. Kinda cool, yo. If anyone knows what the heck these little things are, let me know. I also found a big, huge, ginormous frog in my garage, like, and I thought it was fake. It was so big. I will include it in this video. Alright, peace out, homie G's. Have a good night.